We're going to run your test today on an A1843. This is a 5.5 horsepower direct drive unit. It's slow speed. It has 45 rotating knives. And here's your material that we're going to run here. We're going to run the material with a 5mm screen. What we're going to do is just show you the inside of the unit. That's the inside. So you have 45 rotor knives. It's 3 rows of 15. You have a bed knife in the front, a bed knife in the back, and then a screen which classifies the material. In this case, we're using a 5mm. The material drops down into the takeoff bin down here. We use a wand and just vacuum it out. We also sell this unit with a vacuum system, so a loader right into a Gaylord right next to it. So I'm going to turn this off, and then I am going to run your test. To turn on the unit, you basically just press the blue button, which checks the safeties, and then just press the green button. And now she starts up. Let's give you a little picture of what it looks like. There's the rotor going. Ready, Paul? The unit's not having any problems processing. We're going to dump in the full box just to show the capabilities of the machine. Your unit with a 5mm screen. What we'll do is let it process for a bit, and see the material fall down in the area there. Once it processes through, I'll turn back on the camera and show you the test material. Here's the test material. It took about 2 minutes to run everything. It cut it up real well, and you can't really see anything. There's little bits and pieces here, but you can't make anything out from the labels that were on the product. They've all kind of been ground up and chopped up pretty well in the process. And this is a 5mm screen. If we took it down to a 3, you wouldn't see any paper in this at all on it. So we're going to pack up the sample, and we'll send it off to you for your review.